the President of the Republic of Ghana, to quicken the idea and the vision of the 24-hour economy. This is one of the hallmarks, the reason why the populace of this country, especially the poor, voted for President Mahama. Up to today, everybody is enjoying national health insurance. Is that not so?
Yes, sir.
Does it look for colors of your political party before it applies?
No, sir.
Everybody is enjoying it. The same President Kufuor, we have forgotten all the things that he did, but national health, has anybody forgotten here?
No,
do you know Kufuor time is almost about 20 years ago?
Yes, sir.
Talk to me.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana 70 VGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Bishop B, your friend Bishop Sam. One of these bishops, most of them, they supported NDC when we were going to election 2024 where Wababonte during the preaching they were not sorry, and now AyEka say John Mahama, His Excellency, your man pinning were disappointed or disappointed, and yet omun kwansan was disappointed Ghana for you now. Esan say one of the major campaign promises I wore on manifesto NDC for manifesto mono omun implement here 24-hour economy.
It cannot wait. It should be the first priority. We know, we understand policies, we understand there's no money, but you know what? That is not what we want to hear. I miss everything. We want to see 24-hour economy operating in Ghana.
Yes.
A developing country, and we still work for 9 to 5 hours. 9 to 5 hours. What is that? A country we want to develop, a country we want to move forward. Look at the majority, over 60 to 70% of the populace of this nation are not working. The youth are not working. You finish university, you don't know where to go. Oh, before, when your daughter go to a nursing school, you are sure that after nursing school she's going to be employed. Today, after nursing school, you are not employed though. Even after training college, you are not employed. After going to University of Education, you are not employed. What is happening here? He assured us that he's bringing 24-hour economy. All we are waiting for is 24-hour economy. Salvation is of God. Anointing power is of God. But the government have the power to create jobs for us. The government have the power to lay the foundation of economic empowerment. The church have the power. So if the president bring the idea, I believe all of us will put our heads together and help the idea and the vision. Some need to work early in the morning, some must go to work in the afternoon, some must go to work in the evening. Pass through the street of Accra. Oh, every shop is closed by 6 o'clock. What is that? What kind of economy is this? And businessmen, I am pleading to all shop owners, begin your own 24-hour economy.
Yes, sir.
Because there are many businessmen, there are many rich people that have money they want to buy from your shop. They don't have time in the afternoon. It is in the evening they have time. Why will you close your shop by 6 o'clock? Why? What is happening? Go to a whole city of Accra. Go to Makola. Makola by 6 o'clock. Everybody has parked. Why? The business center of Accra is closed by 6. No. Every rich city, the money is in the night.
Yeah, you sir.
Bishop no say, sa 24-hour economy no na omuni da super. Esan say, most of the youth do na omuni juma biaye. Enti sa promise, sa campaign 24-hour promise no. And I'm no so na omu supporti NDC. Say mama mbeya omampeni bium. Enti se mama beya omampeni say na on kan sem bi amfa sa 24-hour economy ho. Na obi kofo omo na sori mu nyina omunya juma biaye I nya ban juma nye and I say obi an be mom ska bia say o mo fire we and so fire we no and what did your mama who ya pa essence or ya trofo is a big liar. Now obi ultimate bishop who throw the and he say can afford we are just taking it kindly with us.
I said what?
Every rich city, the money is in the night.
reason why New York is one of the richest cities is because it operates at night. Every city that closes at night is a dead city. Because the business of men are in the night. Why? We don't even close 8 o'clock. Go to Newtown. Say kind. Let the president call all businessmen and help them. We don't want to hear anything. We want to know that the 24-hour economy is working.
Yes, sir.
Somebody shout, I hear you, sir.
I hear you, sir.
When Kufuor came, Kufuor brought what? National health. And today, even though it is NDC that is in power, national health is still helping Ghanaians.
Yes, sir.
There are policies they transcend beyond political platforms. They are more than being an MPP or NDC. Kufuor was president which year? 2001.
Yes, sir.
2000, about 23 or 24 years ago. Yes. Still, his policy of national health is still speaking. NDC is supposed to be a socialist party. NDC is a socialist party. That is their policy. That's their philosophy. If your philosophy is to be socialist, then you must bring something that will transcend time and people and period of governance. Even Akufo-Addo, that is not even a socialist party, brought free secondary school. Free education. You see, President Atamils have died. He was a president for how many years? 2 years.
3 years.
Is it 2.5 years? 2.5 years to 3 years.
Yes, sir.
Tell me one policy. Tell me one policy he left for us all to enjoy. President John Mahama came to do a lot of things. Build hospitals, build schools, build roads. Very good. But tell me any one policy that is for all of us to enjoy. This is the chance for the NDC to eradicate this philosophy and build up a new image for them, for themselves. This is the chance for President Mahama to bring something that every poor person will enjoy. And one of the policy that will make everybody to experience glory in our time is the 24-hour economy. I hail him for that vision.
But you see, this is how far we've come as a nation. We must ask ourselves a few questions. How do we even implement a 24-hour economy? You can only implement a 24-hour economy when you are industrialized. Which government started industrialization? AyEka Akufo-Addo government, they started industrialization. And it's the government, they the best government to industrialize this country, Ghana, and AyEka Akufo-Addo amemu. It's as simple as that. Where you don't even need any rocket science. When you are say Akufo-Addo and I say about me buying the best government, okay, to implement a policy such as 24-hour economy. And in fact, most of our sectors were already on the way to doing that. Companies be and are demand driven. But some of these men have got more say they say more munitia. They say more munitia or say more number begasa. Me see if we should continue on this trajectory, say Mahamani NDC for if they will continue the way they are governing this country right now, no 2028, no a year pastors way any NDC for never be campaign my MPP. Say Ogana for Mutuma MPP. into my MPP. And they should continue the way they are doing it. AyEka, Omutu Asusa, John Mama, to Asusa. This has been a political round with me, the voice, right, Young Ghana 7 TV GH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye bye, cheers. See you in the next one.